Assalamu alaikum everybody, this is my 63rd algorithm video. In this task we are given a string edcab and we need to sort it in an ascending order. First we would convert it into a sorted list. We would use the sorted function and we would pass in the string in the sorted function. Now when I print it, we get a list of the characters of the string but in a sorted manner. Next we would convert this list into a string by using the join function. I would make a variable of separator and this separator would be an empty string, and then I would be making a variable of sorted string. I would use the separator dot join and I would pass in the join function the sorted list. Now why separator? Separators are basically used to concatenate the different elements of a string, or it can be iterable such as a list. So for the separator we have defined that it would be an empty string and dot join the sorted list. Print sorted string. So we have sorted out the original string ECDAP into ABCDE. Now if I change the string to, for example, let's say China. So China has been resorted into an ascending order and the answer would be ACHIN. I can also make this code into a one-liner. Sorted string is equal to a blank string dot join, and I would in the join function I would do sorted string, and when I print sorted string, so this is the answer. I hope you liked my video. Please share, like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.